Good morning, students. So today we are going to do some of the problems related to reasoning. Okay, since your METRAR examination is knocking at the door, and basically we have already completed the area and its boundary chapter. So today I'm going to give you a video based on the reasoning which will be helpful for your METRAR examination. Okay. And METRAR examination, you already know, it is going to be held on 29th August. So let's start. So these are some of the reasonings that we will do, and after the video is over, again you will get some homework. So let's start. First, what is given? You see, it is given newspaper is to press as cloth is to question mark. Okay, so in this type of reasoning, first you have to find out the relation. Newspaper is to press as cloth is to question mark. What are the options? Tailor, textile, fiber, and mill. So first you have to find out what is the relation between newspaper and press. All of you, newspapers are prepared in press. Newspapers are prepared in press. So in the same way, cloths are manufactured in mill. Again, I am telling, newspapers are prepared in press. So similarly, cloths are manufactured in mill. So your answer will be mill. So first you have to find out the relation. Next one, number 2, you see, giant is to dwarf as genius is to question mark. Now, what is the meaning of giant and dwarf? Giant means very large and dwarf means very small. So these are opposite words, giant and dwarf. So here also you see genius, you have to find out the opposite word. What are the options? Wicked, gentle, idiot, and tiny. So genius means you know already. So what will be the opposite word? Obviously, idiot. Okay. Now another type of reasoning here, see. Factory is related to production in the same way as school is related to dash. Now what are the options? Discipline, building, education, and teacher. So first you have to find out what is the relation between factory and production. So you know, in factory, different types of things are produced. So factory is related to production. In factory, different types of things are produced. So here, what will be the options? School is related to which one? Discipline, building, education, or teacher. So school provides education. So correct option will be education. Because factory is related to production, in the same way, school will be related to education, because school provides us education. Number 4, you see, librarian. Librarian is related to books in the same way as banker is related to dash. So what are the options? Customers, bank, money, and creditors. So librarian, obviously librarian, you see there are so many books. So to arrange those books, we need librarian. So librarian is related to books in the same way as banker. So banker is related to which one? Banker is related to bank. Because librarian manages books, so banker manages a bank. Okay, so this way, you have to find the relation. Librarian and books, factory and production. Here you see the opposite words, giant, dwarf. So genius will be idiot. Okay, similarly, this relation you have to find out, and then you have to answer out of these 4 options. Okay, so these are the first 4 reasoning. Now next one. So next one, what I have done, this is the blood relation. Okay, blood relation you have to do. So what is the question? Deepak is brother of Ravi. Reena is sister of Atul. Ravi is son of Reena. So how is Deepak related to Reena? You have to find out. So to make this reasoning easier, I have drawn one diagram. So it will be easier for you to understand. According to the question, what is given? Deepak is brother of Ravi. So I have given this arrow, Deepak, and written here brother. So Deepak is brother of Ravi. This is the first statement. Second statement is given, Reena is sister of Atul. So I have drawn one diagram with arrow. Reena is the sister of Atul. Now next statement is given, Ravi is son of Reena. So I have also given one arrow, Ravi, and here written son of Reena. Ravi is the son of Reena. So you have to find out the relation between Deepak and Reena. How is Deepak related to Reena? Now you see, Deepak and Ravi. Deepak is the brother. Deepak is the brother of Ravi. And Ravi is the son of Reena. So Deepak obviously will be the son of Reena because they are both brothers. And Reena is the mother of Ravi. Now try to understand. Deepak and Ravi. Deepak is the brother of Ravi. They are both brothers. And Reena is the mother of Ravi. So definitely Reena will be the mother of Deepak. So how is Deepak related to Reena? Deepak is the son of Reena. So what is the option here? Option A. Okay. So next one. Which of the following words cannot be formed by using the letters of international? That means here one word is given, international. Okay, and in international there are some letters. So the question is, here 4 options are given. Which of the following words you cannot write down with the letters of international? What are the options? Oriental, terminal, latter, and rational. So first you have to see what are the letters of international. I, N, T, E, R, N, A, T, I, O, N, A, L. So many letters are repeating, like T it is repeating, A is repeating, N is repeating. Okay. Now you have to see which of the words you cannot write with the help of these letters. Now you see oriental. Oriental, O, R. Here O is there, R is there. Oriental, I. Okay, I is also there. E is there. N is there. T is there. A is there. L is there. Now come to the word terminal. Terminal, T is there, E there, R there, M. Now you see in the word international there is no M. So your answer will be terminal because here M is there and M letter is not here in international. So this word terminal, it cannot be formed with the letters of the word international because here it is M and in international there is no M. So this will be the answer. It is written which of the following words cannot be formed. So answer will be terminal. If you see the other letters, latter, all the letters are here present. L, A, T, T, E, R, and last one is rationally, all the letters are present here. Only M is not present, so this one is not possible. And the last one, this one. If sand is called air, air is called soap, soap is called ink, ink is called honey, and honey is called orange, which of the following is used for washing clothes? That means you see, once again I am telling, sand is called air, air is called soap, soap is called ink, ink is called honey, honey is called orange. Then which of the following is used for washing cloths? Now you know already Which one is used for washing clothes? Soap. We know soap is used for washing clothes, but here if you give the answer soap, your answer will be wrong. Why I am telling? Because first you have to read this question. Here, soap is called ink. That means in this question, we called soap as ink. So your correct answer will be ink. Because now see again, we are using soap for washing clothes. Okay, it's okay. Soap we used for washing clothes. But according to the question here, soap is called ink. So your correct answer will be ink. Okay. So this type of questions will come in your reasoning. And in the next video, I will try to give another few types like direction. Some I will try to give. Then some puzzles I will try to give. Okay. So today up to this much, and again immediately after this video some pages will appear. Those are homework. Pause the pages and do the homework and send me. And once again I'm telling those who have not sent the maths activity 2, that is the biography of Shakuntala Devi, immediately send me by this week. Okay. So today up to this much. Thank you.